Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then tap on Keyboard and Input Method, select Manage Keyboards and the keyboard. Following that, you need to select Theme section, scroll all the way down and choose Show More at the bottom right corners. After that, select the best theme for you. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always access exactly the same settings and this time customize your theme by tapping on plus icon under My Themes. Then selecting a photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. When you're ready, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!